Okay, for 7F, they want to find the change in charge as you close the switch. So to find to find the amount of charge that flows through S, it'd be helpful to first know what's the amount of charge that's on the capacitors before the switch is flipped. And my hands are shaky. Let's see. So, for this top conductive surface, so this surface, that is the single wire connected to the right plate of the left plate and the left plate of the right plate. This entire surface has a net charge of 0. Same thing on the bottom. This entire surface, sort of hard to point out, but this entire surface has a net charge of 0, originally. What happens when we flip the switch? Well, first of all, what is the change in voltage across all of these capacitors? 105. So 105 volts here, 105 volts here, 105 volts here, 105 volts here. So what about the net charge on all of this conductive surface and all of that conductive surface? Well, this plate here has 105 times 3 microfarads worth of charge, negative 3 times 105 microfarads worth of charge, and this has 6 times 105 microfarads worth of charge. And so the net charge on this plate is the difference, the voltage times the difference in capacitance, which in this case would be 350 microcoulombs, or 3 times 105. Same here, except that you have negative 6 times 105 microcoulombs here, and positive 3 times 105 microcoulombs here. So you have a net charge of negative 315 microcoulombs worth of charge. So originally these plates starts off with 0 charge, and now they have positive 315 and negative 315 microcoulombs. So how much charge has flowed through the switch? You might be thinking 730 microcoulombs, and that would be incorrect. Because what happens, this plate pretend has 0 charge initially. What happens when it gives away 350 microcoulombs? When it gives away 350 microcoulombs, this plate now has a net charge of 350 microcoulombs. And because it's lost all that charge from its neutral state, this bottom plate now has a negative 350 microcoulomb charge. So in fact, the charge that flows through the switch is just the voltage 105 times the change in capacitance, or 350 microcoulombs.